In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a software called Active Reading via TAFE library services. The first thing you need to do is to log in to your TAFE account. So I'm going to type in TAFE NSW student login. And then my username and password. Once I'm in there, I will go down to TAFE libraries. On the right hand, under resources and information links. In the new window, I'm going to choose eResources A to Z. And once this window opens, I will choose C, which will list all the software available under the letter C. And there find Clarity English. The TAFE NSW Library Network Catalog window opens and it says eResources logon successful. Click here to continue. And you're in the Clarity English software site. You've got 5 different software here. I'm going to choose Active Reading. Click Start. And sign in or register. You can also continue as a guest, but it's always good for you to register an account or sign in using your TAFE email ID. So I'm going to use my TAFE email ID again. Actually, I've already registered using my TAFE email ID, so a good idea would be to register in advance, so you just have to log in. Now you've got 6 different levels. Elementary is the lowest. Pre-intermediate probably is a little lower than or your RESOL class. So I'm going to choose intermediate. And you have 10 different lessons here. I would like you to choose dictionaries because that's the lesson we're going to do today. So number 6, I love my dictionary. And go to the practice zone. Choose words and meanings. And you have various activities here. So let's go back. You've got 6 different activities. Getting started. Words and meanings. Dictionary online. Vocabulary, where you have a listening activity as well.
An amusing thing happened when we were on our way back to the United States from
dictionaries, words you hear, so you can listen to the word
1.
and type
We didn't really enjoy our
what you
holiday.
hear.
First of all, the accommodation was really terrible. The beds were so uncomfortable.
The last one is finding examples of sentences. Once you've done this, I would like you to go back to the home button and then click on Lesson 7. And you can probably start with what you're going to learn in this unit first.
In this unit, we're going to do some more.
I hope this makes it easier for you to access active reading. Thank you.